Hello, boys and girls and parents. Today we will be working on math words and sentence strips using our high frequency vocabulary words. I want you to hear the words, say the words, and read the words out loud with me. Our first word is count. 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 When you count something, it starts with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our next word is multiplication sign. MULTIPLICATION. Sign. SIGN. Multiplication sign. This is a multiplication sign. It is an X. So when you see an X, you know that is the multiplication sign. Our next word is minus sign. MINUS. Sign. SIGN. Minus sign. When you see this sign, you know that this is a minus sign. Our next word is equal sign. EQUAL. Sign. SIGN. Equal sign. When you see this here, you know that this is the equal sign. Number. 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 When you see the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, these are numbers. Our next word is subtract. 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 When you subtract something, it looks like this. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Subtract. Left multiply. LEFTMULTIPLY. Left multiply. Numeral. 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 When you see numeral, an example is, this is a numeral. It looks like it's a V, but it's also the number 5. This is an example of numeral. Our next word is division. DIVISION. Sign. SIGN. Division sign. When you see this sign here, you will know that this is a division sign. Divide. 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 When you see this here, this is how you divide. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Divide. Our next word and last word is borrow. 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 Now these are our high frequency vocabulary words, and we have sentences to go along with them here. But first I'll go over our high frequency words. Our first word is school. 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 Our next word is good. 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 Our next word is says. 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 Our next word is help. 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 Our next word is try. 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 Our next word is can. C-A-N, can. Now we're going to do our sentences. And I want you to be able to tell me what word makes sense. Raise, for number one, raise your hand in blank. Which word makes sense? Raise your hand in school. Raise your hand in good. Raise your hand in says. Or raise your hand in help. Raise your hand in try. Raise your hand in can. Which word makes sense? If you chose school, you were right. Raise your hand in school. Our next sentence. She does a blank job. Which word makes sense? She does a good job. She does a says job. She does a help job. She does a try job. Or she does a can job. Which word makes sense? If you said good, you were correct. She does a good job. Our next sentence, number 3. He blank nice things. Which word makes sense? He says nice things. He help nice things. He try nice things. Or he can nice things. If you said says, you are correct. He says nice things. Number 4, we blank our friends. We help our friends. We try our friends. Or we can our friends. Which word makes sense? We help our friends. If you said help, you are correct. Number 5, always blank your best. Always try your best. Always can your best. Which one makes sense? Always try your best. If you said try, you are correct. Our last sentence, number 6. She blank use kind words. Our last word is can. She can use kind words. So if you said can, you are correct. Thumbs up. So again, our high frequency words is school, good, says, help, try, and can. Now you will go to your Rela vocabulary assignment in Google and match the word with the sentence. After you're done, please check your work. Bye, boys and girls.